Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your account or your Etsy seller account to Pinterest. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Basically for this video, we're just going to follow this article here and here how to claim your Etsy shop on Pinterest. And by that, you will be able to have like your uh, Etsy seller account to be added into your Pinterest. So all you will need to do is to have a business account in Pinterest. So you can simply create a business account by either you can simply convert your personal account to a business one, or you can simply create a new one. Then you will need just to go to settings and click claim on the drop down there. So if we go to settings to our account, so from here we are going to click on our account and simply we can go to settings, and here we will need just to go to our, as you can see it is a business account, and let's just like go here and simply we can go to our settings from here by clicking on settings, and basically here you will find your claimed account, and here you can start like adding your uh, websites. So you can simply claim a website and there you can add your record from here. So as you can see, you will be needing like how you would like to claim your website. So as you can see here in the guide, it will tell you here you will see Etsy under the claim other accounts. So from here we will be needing just like go to Instagram, and you have website and already like having a website, and from here you will be needing like just to go to the claim accounts, and then you will be able to start adding your accounts or Etsy shop accounts into your Pinterest. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.